apple juice to start the day. Yes. I also had a little bit of orange juice, and I am eating tomato and basil pasta from Sainsbury's called paprika crisps and Coke Zero as well. So gonna eat this and then I will starting the deliveries. Good thing about warming up this tomato and basil pasta from Sainsbury's is that it tastes much better. So this is the original packaging. Very difficult and raining day. Well, anyways, my first pickup of the day is gonna be from that chicken shop over there, Dixie Chicken. I have been told that the order will be ready in 8 minutes. So, yeah, I'm just waiting outside at the moment. Yeah, very bad day. The rain has stopped a little bit, so yeah, that's alright. The day didn't start very well because I had a pickup from the co-op, but as soon as I go to the shop, I checked and it said on the app it said that it was a large delivery, so there will be multiple delivery drivers picking up the order. At that point, I was like, yeah, I'm sure that they already took the order, so probably there's nothing left there for me to pick up. And so yeah, I was actually right. There was nothing for me to pick up, so luckily I didn't have to travel too long to get to the shop. So yeah, at the end of the day, it was okay. And this other pickup from Dixie Chicken turned out to be, I would say, slightly better. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And yeah, hopefully the rain will stop because yeah, I just don't like when it's raining this much. When I'm cycling, like there for example, I go no waterproof shoes. So yeah, not looking good. First delivery of the day complete. It has stopped raining as well. There is currently a boost on the delivery app times 1.3. Next pickup is coming from Psyche. Deliveries have stopped and rain has started pouring down yet again. I have just picked up a delivery from this co-op. It's a very nice delivery. It's paying £7. I have to go across the river. I'm already feeling exhausted. Both lifts are working here in Greenwich Tunnel. So far, it has been an awful day. Next pickup is gonna be from Burger King. I'm not enjoying it at all today. I should have brought my waterproof shoes and my waterproof jacket as well. Oh well, it's too late now. Very rainy day today. I was thinking about going home, but I have changed my mind and instead I will stay online and do a few more deliveries. The time is now 6:15 and I have checked the weather forecast, and within an hour or two, it is gonna stop raining. There's my bike. So this, of course, is my temporary bike. Um, I am going to sell this bike once I buy my new bike. Actually, I am going to sell all of my bikes. The Radix Plan 5, the other hybrid bike that I bought, the crappy one, and yeah. And this one as well, I'm gonna sell it. Yeah. Plan is to get a new bike. And yeah, another thing is, oh my days, my stomach is making noises. I am hungry. Oh man. I don't know what to have for lunch. I actually don't know what to eat today. I go to Burger King most of the time, but today I feel like eating something else. Yeah, not too sure yet. I was thinking about KFC. Yesterday I really felt like eating KFC, but in the last minute I changed my mind and yeah, I bought something else. Yeah. So far a very rainy day, and so I got this thing for my shoes. It came with the trousers, but they are not wide enough, so water still goes through on the sides. And yeah, it keeps coming off as well, so at the end I decided to come to Burger King and I bought this food. Yeah. Also, it's probably gonna start raining a lot in the next half an hour or so. So yeah, it's gonna wait until it stops raining. Or at least the heavy rain, until the heavy rain stops. And then I will go back online. Happy days. I have had my meal and rain has stopped a little bit. Very soon it will stop completely. And yeah, it will probably be a nice evening. So far I have made 36 pounds. And I'm just gonna quickly double check. But yeah, I think that I made 36 pounds. Yeah, 36. Although I made 4 pounds yesterday, so that means so far I made 32 pounds. £32, and yeah, I reckon that I will make another 30 pounds before the end of the day. Yeah, plan is to make 60 pounds. Yeah, I will be happy with that. Take into account that it has been a very, very difficult evening. I am back online. So far, I had to reject a couple of deliveries. One of them was taking me to the O2 Arena. Yeah. Wow. I have got a double delivery request on the Uber Eats app. £10 to complete 2 deliveries. I definitely accepted that one. Another delivery complete. What a day. I have made 53 pounds. Might be a good idea to go home, change my shoes. Um, need to wear dry ones. Actually, I'm gonna do this this delivery first. Yeah, might as well. Another 3 pounds. So that will be 56 pounds. Yeah. I rejected the order from Uber Eats because the order was too big. And yeah, I mean, there were multiple drivers coming to pick it up, but I thought they might take all of the bags by the time I get there. So yeah, I received another request on the delivery app. Pickup was from GoPro. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna accept that one, reject the other one on the Uber Eats app. And guess what happened? What is going on here? 3 packs of water, 6 bottles each. So that's like, well, I'm gonna reject it first, and then I'll explain what's going on here. Reject. So that's basically 6 times 1.5. That's 9 liters times 3, 18 liters. How in the beep am I gonna carry all that on my delivery bag? 18 liters. That's impossible. And I have got a very nice delivery request, but one problem is, well, I'm gonna quickly show you first. Yeah, so this is a very nice delivery. Unfortunately, I have got, well, it says 4 bars here, but it's actually 2. I don't think it's 4. Maybe I should just take it. Nah, I can't be bothered. It's too risky. If I run out of juice halfway home, oh, what the, my days. Yeah, so if I run out of juice halfway home, then I'm screwed. Best thing to do is just take a like a short distance delivery. Okay, so one of the issues here is that this side of the bike, this crank arm keeps coming off if I'm pedaling without power assistance. So if I ride this bike without the motor, then for some reason this thing keeps coming off. I think it's not properly tight, and there's not much else I can do, because if I tighten this thing a bit more, then it's gonna crash the pedal sensor. So there's this sensor here. That one is let me get out of the way first. Oh. Ah. Just on time. Yeah, so if I push this further in, then it's gonna crash the sensor. So this thing here, it's the sensor to, oh, another delivery. Oh my days. I would take this one, but the problem is that it has got age restricted items. Because of that, I'm gonna have to reject it. It was a very nice delivery, but no, not gonna risk it. Oh wow, another one. Burger King. Oh yeah, definitely can take this one. Very nice delivery from Burger King. £5. Let's go. At the end, I made £62. I think that it was an okay day. Yeah, it was not looking good in the beginning because of so much rain, and yeah, there was no energy, and so yeah, but somehow I managed to make £62, and I'm happy with that. Right now I have got two options. I could either go home, change my battery, and then do a few more deliveries, or I could just call it a day and then more deliveries tomorrow. So yeah, I think that I'm just gonna call it a day. And yeah, so yeah, that's all for today. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.